Ever feel like your brain is buffering in real life? Ever feel like your brain is buffering in real life? You sit down to work or study, and boom, your mind turns into mashed potatoes. Zero focus, zero energy, just vibes. But what if I told you boosting your brain isn't about coffee or crazy routines? What if it took just 7 weird little habits, so simple they feel like cheats, but so powerful your brain will feel like it leveled up overnight? No fluff, no magic pills, just science-backed brain hacks that actually work. Let's jump right in. Number 1. The 30-second blink reset. Your eyes are secretly draining your brain. Staring at screens fries your focus, literally. Try this. Every 20 minutes, close your eyes for 30 seconds. Not a nap, just a reset. Why it works? It reduces sensory overload, resets your nervous system, and restores mental clarity. It's like rebooting your brain without turning it off. Try it right now. You'll feel sharper in seconds. Number 2. The backward walk hack. Sounds weird? It is. But walking backward boosts brain connectivity like nothing else. Studies show it activates parts of your brain responsible for memory, balance, and coordination all at once. Start with 60 seconds a day in a safe space. No tripping, please. Feels awkward. Looks awkward. Works like magic. Number 3. Chew gum while studying. Seriously, this one's almost too simple. Chewing gum while learning something new helps your brain lock in info. Then chewing that same flavor while taking a test triggers recall like a memory button. It's called context-dependent memory. Students use it. Athletes use it. Now you can too. Pick a flavor. Make it your secret weapon. Number 4. The 8-second rule for memory. Want to remember something forever? Hold your attention on it for 8 full seconds. Just 8. Whether it's a name, a fact, or a password, lock eyes with the info and mentally repeat it for 8 seconds. It's how your brain transfers things from short-term to long-term memory. Forget flashcards. Try this. Number 5. Use the odd one out technique. This one's genius. When studying or reading, look for something strange, out of place, or unexpected in the info. Our brains are wired to remember the weird. Attach a bizarre image or odd connection to what you're learning, and boom, it sticks. Need to remember Newton's laws. Picture Isaac Newton riding a rocket made of apples. You'll never forget it again. Number 6. The 3-minute silent stare. Stare at a wall, a tree, a blank page. Do nothing for 3 minutes. No phone, no music, no scrolling. Why? Because when you remove distractions, your brain starts connecting ideas like crazy. New thoughts emerge. Problems start solving themselves. This is how geniuses think. Stillness isn't laziness, it's fuel for brilliance. Number 7. Do something with your non-dominant hand. Brush your teeth. Eat. Write. Anything. Using your non-dominant hand challenges your brain to form new neural pathways, improving coordination, focus, and even memory. It's like lifting mental weights every day. Hard at first, powerful forever. Final thoughts. You don't need more time. You need better brain habits. So here's your mission. Blink reset every hour. Walk backward for a minute. Chew gum smartly. Remember the 8-second rule. Make it weird to make it stick. Sit in silence daily. Use your wrong hand often. Train your brain like it's a muscle, because it is. Which hack are you trying today? Drop it in the comments. And hey, if you want to turn your brain into a supercomputer, hit that subscribe. Let's make thinking cool again. Until next time, train sharp, think smart, live unstoppable.